Long ago, on the island of Crete, there was a brilliant inventor named Daedalus. His mind could solve almost any problem, but even the smartest people can get into trouble. You see, Daedalus made a powerful enemy, the king of Crete. To keep him from escaping, the king locked Daedalus and his son Icarus inside a tall tower, surrounded by nothing but endless sea. But Daedalus wasn't one to give up. With nothing but his wits, he crafted 2 sets of wings from feathers and wax. His plan? To fly to freedom. Before they took off, Daedalus warned Icarus, "Fly too low, and the sea's mist will soak your wings. Fly too high, and the sun's heat will melt the wax. Stay in the middle, and we'll make it safely." But Icarus was young, and sometimes young people like to test their limits. At first, everything went perfectly. They glided like birds, free at last. But soon, Icarus felt the thrill of flying. Higher and higher, he climbed, ignoring his father's warnings. The sun, it burned hot that day. The wax began to melt, one by one. His feathers slipped away. Before he knew it, Icarus's wings were gone. Daedalus searched, but Icarus was gone, lost to the waves. Daedalus mourned his son, but his story became a lesson, one that echoes through time. Ambition is powerful, but wisdom and balance are what help us soar the highest. So dream big, but remember, sometimes the safest path is the one in the middle.